Yo, peace and love, guys. Back with another review. This time we have something a little different. We have a Gucci sneaker, the Gucci Ace. I know normally I do a lot of Air Jordan 1s, a lot of Nikes, some Yeezys here and there, but we're doing a Gucci sneaker. Sometimes I do designer. Before I jump into that, you know I have to thank you guys for liking all the videos, watching the video, subscribing, supporting your boy through this little journey. Can't do it without you guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. And also, you know, I don't condone the resale and manufacture of UA fake sneakers. I just get them as gifts. I review them. I give you guys the content, and then you can make your own decision if these look good or bad. So here's the box. We have a normal Gucci box. I've never seen one before, and it looks like it took a big hit, which is no big deal because I'll probably throw this box away. Dust bag. Not sure of the quality level of it, but I'll probably hang on to it and put the sneakers back into it and store them that way. It's kind of weird for me putting like dirty bottom shoes in a dust bag. I don't know. Got a little card there, some type of paperwork. Looks like there's a label inside the box. Not sure if that's standard. Then you have this kind of little thank you card, and it's saying basically, if you purchase a product, you are guaranteed luxury. You're luxurious. Got some Gucci paper. Looks kind of cool. Might make a shirt out of it. All right, so I do like the plastic bags. I might just put them back in the plastic bags. And it has this really big golden bee on the side. A lot of the designers are using insects lately. Since I've been reviewing them, insects have been related to all of them. I think even Balenciaga, but they look really plain. And they feel really premium, and they smell really good. I don't know what they use to clean them up, but they smell really good. They have like this soft, really, all these designer shoes that I'm getting that are leather, they feel really soft, like nothing compared to like a Jordan 1. Maybe the Dior Jordan 1s, but the leather on here is premium, and it makes me want to wear the shoe a little bit more. Another thing I noticed, they love to single lace the shoe from top to bottom. Like the McQueen sneakers were just like that, and I don't like that, so I always gotta unlace them. Looks like the size is on the back of the tongue. And I'm telling you, the quality of these, they are spot on. I don't know what that is in there. Insides look pretty good, just says Gucci in there. Made in Italy. Looks good to me. For the midsole, you got like this vulcanized half and half. It's kind of rough there. And then it smooths out towards the front, and it's not pliable at all. Like it's super, super hard, durable. And we got this guy at the bottom, which I do not know who that is, but I'm sure it has something to do with Gucci symbolism, their whole type of luxurious paradigm. But I don't know. If you know, just drop it in the comments as usual. Here's the medial side of the sneaker, and for such a plain sneaker, they really executed this well. You got the green and red, their signature colors. It always goes good. There's that one single lace, which I hate. I don't know why they do that. Maybe it's just how they ship them out. I don't know. They seem to be balanced. Now, with the black light, I didn't find anything. You see that one little dot right there on the green there, but other than that, there's no other stitching flaws. They cleaned them up pretty well. So I'm guessing they smelt that way because they have to clean all those markings up from what I'm learning. And looking at the other shoe, there's nothing on this pair either. So shout out to the gifters for these. They're lovely shoes. Of course, these are date night material. We got a little sticker on the bottom, made in Italy, and there's a little scan code on there. Interesting. But that's it. It's on B time. Oh my God, I did it again. Yo, what's going on, guys? When you forget your memory card like that, it really, really like, damn. Crap.
when you forget your memory card like that, it kind of kills some of your motivation to make the video. And I don't know how loud I'm talking because it is extra windy, like extra windy. And I got this little furry thing on my mic, but dang. Woo! How about this? I'm just gonna roll the music. I'm gonna get the on-feet shots, close-ups, all that good stuff. And I'm out of here, guys. I appreciate the support as always. Follow me on IG. Let me get this started. Come on, good old YouTube energy. I need some YouTube energy right now.